Good day, everyone, and you are all welcome to this course titled vMix Livestreaming Mastery for Churches. This course is anchored by Dothrop Consulting Limited. Now, this course has 8 modules in total, right? And module 1 is about introduction to live streaming for churches. Module 2 is about setting up vMix for church services. In module 3, we'll discuss managing audio and video quality. In module 4, we'll customize your live stream with vMix. In module 5, we'll engage the congregation online. In module 6, we'll talk about troubleshooting and advanced features. In module 7, we'll talk about post live stream workflow. In module 8, we're going to talk about practical application and best practices. Without further ado, let's get into module 1.